In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the walk-by transition effect, so be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a video where someone is walking by, but the process still remains the same. So what you're going to do is you're first going to find where your clip actually goes to where the person walks from here to here or here to here. You're going to right-click your clip and New Fusion Clip. You're then going to open up your Fusion tab and you're going to add a polygon tab right here and just connect it right here as well. And then what you're going to do is you're going to click on Invert, which should be over here, just like so. So what you're